guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo dump on TikTok in a simple and trendy way. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the plus icon located at the bottom middle. This is where you start creating a new post on TikTok. After tapping the plus icon, the camera screen will open. Now tap on the gallery option at the bottom left side. This will open your phone's gallery so you can select photos. Next, select one photo from your gallery. After selecting the photo, you'll see different options on the screen. This is where you can start adding more photos to your photo dump. Now, tap on the plus icon shown with the photo. From here, select 2 or 3 more photos based on your needs. This allows you to combine multiple photos into one photo dump. After selecting all your photos, tap Next at the bottom right. Then tap Next again on the following screen to continue. TikTok will now automatically create your photo dump. Finally, tap on the Post button at the bottom right side, and that's it. Your photo dump is now successfully posted on TikTok. It's quick, easy, and perfect for sharing memories. And that's how you can easily make a photo dump on TikTok. This is a great way to share multiple photos in one stylish post. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment below for more quick social media tips.